queen of hacks, Anita Burgess. Good morning to you, Anita.
Good morning.
Come on down.
Let's start with the birthday cakes.
I'm hoping you'll be able to get these hacks this time, okay?
Well, I did struggle last time, didn't I?
The egg, remember?
Okay.
So first we're going to start by using a pair of tongs, okay, to grab and cut a cake. Now, this works really well when the cake is like a deep cake. So all you have to do is kind of get like this.
Yep.
Push it down.
Oh, anyone could do that.
Anyone
like
can
that.
do that.
And then you're going to pull it out.
That's great.
Oh, stop it.
How good is that?
That's amazing.
And then you put it on the plate, and you get an even piece every single time.
Lift and separate.
And then, sorry, I just got a bit of cream on my finger.
Okay.
And then for the diamond cake, because everyone's been asking about this a lot, all you do, you know what I mean, when you want little pieces, and everyone goes, can I just have a sliver? But a sliver looks terrible.
Everyone just wants a sliver.
Yeah, no
Everyone
one really
just wants
a little
sliver.
bit for me,
So you cut it in half, like in quarters like that. Then you go a little further again.
Oops, you're getting
It's all right.
stuck in that.
Okay.
Go a little like this.
Yeah.
Oh, that's...
Okay.
And then all we do from here,
Right, I'll pop that in.
is you're going to cut then into diamonds like that. Go further down. So then, see like that? That's such a cute one.
Yep.
That way you get
and so
all
you get
the little...
3 slices in each little wedge.
Correct.
Okay.
that's good.
Great.
My God, I'm eating.
Okay, next, go.
Next one.
Without the mess.
Whisking cream. Now, this is also great if you're going to cook with your kids in the holidays. You know how they always want to get involved? And you don't... Bless you. Bless
You're allergic
you.
to the thought of it. Okay, go. What do we got?
Okay, you're going to put a paper plate onto your hand blender. Watch this. So if you want them to have a go, because they do want to... No, you don't have to stand back.
I can just...
That's the point.
You know why?
I
because
love it.
this is going to protect it from splattering all over your kitchen bench, all over the floor.
Well, give us an example.
Yeah.
Show how it works.
Splattering. Yeah, go on.
Show, come on.
What would happen if it splattered?
It would go on there, but we did pretty good. We did pretty good.
no,
I just know how to. I know how to whisk very well.
That's okay. Okay.
Flour.
Next one, flour. Okay, again for the kids. So I've got cake everywhere. Instead of sifting it, you know how you just throw it in there and you're like this,
bang,
and the
bang, bang.
flour goes
Yes.
everywhere. You're going to put the cup over here. And then you tip it, and then all you do is you move your cup through here. This is actually one of my favourite hacks. I've actually showed my child this, so then it doesn't end up going everywhere.
That's
How good
a
is
good
that,
one.
hey?
And you can get the exact measurement as well.
Yeah.
Exactly,
Okay.
exactly. Now, also, when we're cooking in the kitchen, and you need to add in something sticky, right? You've only got the 1 spoon, and you know how you have to go back and wash it. Come back.
Yep.
Okay, little trick is get the measurement you need, whether it's the teaspoon, half a teaspoon. You're going to lay it like that into the flour. Can you get where am I going with this?
You've made that measurement.
I've made that measurement in the flour, and then you can grab,
pour it in.
and then you just fill it up.
Oh, that's
Like
genius.
Anita,
Is that not the
This is
best?
why we come to you.
That is, and you know what? The kids enjoy it
looks
too.
so
They're
pretty.
doing it easy, fun,
I don't even
quick.
want to mix that.
No, exactly. But
Right.
this one I'm going to get you involved in.
Okay.
We're going to de-shell a boiled egg.
Oh, this could
it's
be
the mug hack, cup hack. Have you guys seen this hack before?
No.
Okay, you've got to pour a little bit of water into a cup or a mug. You choose whichever one you want.
Yep.
Okay, we've boiled the eggs. Okay, grab a cup.
Okay.
Good. Got one, I'll do the mug, okay?
mug.
We throw in our boiled egg. There you go.
Thank you.
Put like this.
Drop it in?
Drop it in. You're going to... No, listen, Dave, don't get excited, okay? Put your hand over the mug. I know, last time you went in too quickly.
Okay,
Okay, we're going to shake. Shake
Oh,
it.
come on.
Shake it.
No, this is
shake
great.
it. Shake it. Shake it.
I'm getting wet.
Now, watch this. When you come out, the shell of the egg looks like this. The shell of the egg.
And half the egg.
And half the egg, if we had done it a little better, will come off really easily if we had.
Anita, wait, can I just
Anita,
show people?
It's not that
Look at
hard
the
to
top of
actually...
it.
Can I just... This one... Can I just...
Why is that good?
Because
How
you
is
have...
that
Let me
good?
explain to you. After you take it off the stove, okay? After you take it off the stove, you have to
hard.
cool it down. It was a bit hard for me to do that because I
Okay.
don't have a cooking stove here.
Gotcha.
But if you do it like this...
Yeah.
In this order.
In a container.
I do it like in a container because I like to do like 3 or 4 at a time. And look at you.
Mine's hatching.
You know you hit it too hard. It should end up
said
like
to
this.
do it hard.
I know, but you went too hard. See, like this. And then you do like this.
This feels like victim
This
blaming.
is how it should look, by the way. This is how it should
Once
look.
you prepared earlier.
Now,
Why
just
is
got
ours
too
so
excited, shimmy
Yours
and
We
is
made
shake.
a
bold.
huge mess and we smell like egg now.
And well, we can have a piece of cake then, shouldn't we?
Okay, look.
Thank you,
4 out of
as
5
always.
really worked.
Yeah, 4 out of 5.
one
And just,
went not so
let's
much.
have some fun.